episode of Quarantine Cooking. Today we're going to be making mozzarella sticks. First thing you want to do is grab a pan, put vegetable oil in it about 5 inches, and put it on the stove on high. Second thing you want to do, you want to take your mozzarella sticks, and then what you want to do is start turning it and putting it in flour. Roll it in flour. Once it's rolled in flour, you want to take the axis off, put it in the eggs, roll it around, let it drip out, take the breadcrumbs, and then go like this. Roll it in the breadcrumbs. Till it looks about like that. Then you take it in the eggs again, roll around in the eggs, put it back in the breadcrumbs, cover it, roll it around. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Now we're going to put it back on the plate, take our other cheese stick, and repeat the process.
11 minutes later.
Now that we have finished coating our mozzarella sticks, we're going to take our mozzarella stick and put it in the vegetable oil for about 2 minutes until they're golden brown. As you can see, they look amazing. Once they're done, they should look like this. Set them on your ready plate. As you can see, I squished that one a little bit, but it's alright. And then add another one in. And repeat the process. Then once they're cooled down, serve with pizza sauce. Just put some in a little container like this and heat it up for like 30 seconds to a minute. Oh yes, my pizza sauce is done. Alright, go ahead and try one. What do you think?
10 out of 10. Good job, Grace.
10 out of 10? Thank you. Let's try it.
Good job.
Time for me to try it. Oh, yeah, here. Time for me to try it. They are really good. Alright, try one, Gav. Is it good?
A little crispy.
Yeah. Try some of the dipping sauce. Is it, yeah?
Burning hot.
Well, the dipping sauce is hot. But what would you rate it out of a 10? 1 being the worst, 10 being the best.
9.
9? Alright.
Good.
Alright. Pick one.
I'm a sauce guy.
Yeah.
Magical.
10 being the best, 1 being the worst. What would you rate it?
You know, it's pretty good actually. You can make these more often.
Oh,
I just
yeah.
double dipped.
Oh, that's alright. Gavin did too. It's all good.
Oh, great.
It's alright.
I'm gonna go with a good 9.5.